This is Nick. Yeah, I was scrolling through Zillow here and I happened to see your property. Edge Val, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had a few more questions. I do see that the roof was replaced recently, right? I'm just curious of the higher ticket items on this property. How are all the systems running on there, and when's the last time they were replaced?
Good question.
What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to start calling for sale by owner and catch your first wholesale deal. So, without further ado, let's get right into this. Go ahead and shrink my camera down. So, first thing that we're going to want to do here is we're going to go on Zillow, okay? A couple filters that you guys are going to want to add into this so that you only get for sale by owner and to increase your chances of getting a deal. Let me go ahead and move my OBS over to this screen so I can see it. All right. So, you're going to go here, make sure you guys click for sale, okay? Price doesn't matter right now. Beds and bath doesn't matter. Home type, you're going to want to take out condos, co-ops, lots, lands, apartments, manufacturers. You just want to focus on multifamily, townhomes, and houses. All right. Then go to the more tab here, and then right here where listing type is, you're going to want to take off new construction, foreclosures, auctions, and agent listed. You just want owner posted, okay? Then what you're going to want to do is scroll down here, and there is a keywords tab. Now, you could add stuff in here. This will basically filter out listings that owners have put TLC, needs work, this and that. So we're going to go ahead and put needs TLC. Now we're going to go ahead and pick an area. So let's go to Illinois. We're going to go to Perona, Illinois. So here goes one right here. Very distressed, as you guys can see. Boarded up, price cut 10,000. So obviously they're looking to sell. It's probably not in a good neighborhood, I'm assuming. So it needs a full rehab, investor special, 6-bedroom. Okay, 6 separate meters. So it's a multi-family here. If you're looking for an investment in that area, coming up in the value, appreciate over time, beauty, no pictures of the inside, buyers willing to look at property. If interested, self-tour at your own risk. Okay, so this property, right, is something good. It's probably not in a great area, but it's gonna need a full rehab. So before I do anything at all, right, what I'm gonna wanna do is go ahead and give the owner a call. And if you guys look here at the bottom, listed by property owner, and there's their phone number. So we're gonna give them a call and see the situation, see if they're still open to offers, even though they basically cut the price by 10,000. Just get a little bit more info. And the info you're gonna ask will be, let me put it up on the screen for you guys. The info that you are going to want to ask, you're gonna want to find out the motivation of why they're selling it, right? Because this is gonna uncover if they're a motivated seller. Now for this property, it's only $30,000. So it's basically none to nothing. But you're gonna want to find the motivation to see if they actually are looking to sell and have a reason to sell. Now some people you're gonna call and they have really no intention of selling unless they get the asking price. So that's not a deal for you. They're asking market, so you're not gonna catch a deal. The next thing you're gonna ask is the timeline on this. Now if they're a motivated seller, they're gonna wanna sell very quickly, right? Because they wanna get rid of this headache, they wanna get rid of this problem. And typically, to get out of a problem like this, they're going to be okay with taking a slight loss. This is where you come in and you end up making your spread of money because you're going to get it under market value, sell it to an investor, that's a deal, and the investor's still going to make money. So that's how this works. So what we're going to do here, let me grab my phone. We're going to go ahead and give them a call. So now you guys get to see in live action of how I will do this call, right? And another thing that you're going to want to ask, so you ask the motivation behind why they're selling, you figure out the time frame, and then you're going to figure out the condition on this property, right? The condition is going to tell you, right, what it says from here, it's going to need a full rehab, right? Meaning it needs everything from drywall, paint, carpet, cabinets, appliances, everything you could think of. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give them a call now. and we're gonna see if the systems are still on, if when's the last time that the systems were replaced, mainly the higher ticket items. But with a property like this, for only $30,000, I'm going to assume that they're outdated or not on, or they need replaced.
Hello. Thank you for calling Mayfield Enterprises and Services. You've reached Angelique. Sorry I missed your call, but if you please leave me your name, number, and a brief.
Alright, so they did not answer, completely fine. I'd say leave a voicemail, right? They'll call you back. This property probably isn't that good. If you guys look here, I mean, look at the house next to it. It's also boarded up, so it's probably in the trenches, I'll be honest. So we're gonna go to a different area here, just so I can show you guys a live call, and just to get a better understanding on how you guys can structure your calls and really just do it in general, I guess. If you guys do need a script though, that you want step by step on what to say in a really simple base, go ahead and go in the description. The link is down there. You guys can also DM me on Instagram and we could hop on a call. I could give you my input and even help you out and help you close your first deal. So we got this one right here, 170,000, right? Coming soon. Home is being sold as is. It's probably wouldn't be the best one, so make sure our keywords are still in there. Let's go, what's this right here? This is in the city, obviously. This one looks, okay. This one looks somewhat nice. So let's go ahead and give them a call. I'm pretty sure in Indiana, it's not too early, or Illinois, I'm pretty sure. Don't know, that probably could affect this. But, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a call. All right, yeah. Let's see what time zone it is in there, Illinois. $11:05. So, okay, we'll go to a different area here. I just want to show you guys a live call. Okay, what is this here? This looks doesn't look too bad. So it does. All right, so very vague, right? Very vague description. That's another thing that you guys want to look for. Vague descriptions. Okay. See, there's no photos. The description's vague. 2 bed, 1 bath, sold as is. Well, that doesn't tell me anything, right? So this is probably a seller that is looking to get rid of this property. Why? I mean, it doesn't seem like they want to sell it, right? But because they don't have a description, like if you're selling something, describe it. But we're gonna give them a call and see what's going on here. See if we can get some more photos, more details.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hey, this is Nick. Yeah, I was scrolling through Zillow here and I happened to see your property over there on North Jefferson Street. If you can give me a call back, I did have a few questions. I would appreciate it very much. Thank you. So, very simple. Leave a voicemail if they don't answer, stating the address, your name and phone number, which I did not do. But, like I said, state your phone number. It's always good. Okay. So this right here, very outdated, very bad photos. Alright, so just like that, we're getting a call back already, right? Is this for Jefferson? No, this is for a different one in Illinois. What property was this? Right, so now we gotta go find a... So we'll just wait. We'll see what they end up saying. I'm pretty sure this is this one right here. No, it's not this one either. Which one is it? This one, I believe. Okay, so this one is listed by our realtor. I don't think I did this one though. So we're gonna find out. Is it this one? I believe 2261. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ethan.
Hey Ethan, this is Nick. Yeah, I was scrolling through Zillow here, and I happened to see your property, 308 West Edgeval Place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had a few more questions. I do see that the roof was replaced recently, right? I'm just curious of the higher ticket items on this property. How are all the systems running on there, and when's the last time they were replaced?
Good question. Everything is working. Furnace is, I think, 6 or 7 years old. Water heater, brand new. Replaced it here before we moved out. AC is good. All the appliances in the kitchen work. What other questions? Does that kind of answer it?
Yeah, that really answers my question. I mean, what's got you thinking about selling this?
I had to move.
Oh, nice.
I
So,
got a new job in another state.
oh, okay. Oh, right. Yeah, and what's the time frame on this? How soon are you looking to get rid of it? Soon as possible, or really when you get the number you like?
No rush. I'm paid off, but the sooner the better.
Got it. Sooner the better. All right. I see you got it posted here at 189. Are you open to taking offers, or are you pretty stuck on that 189 at the moment?
Well, I would take an offer, and it depends on what the offer is.
Got it. Yeah. I mean, I'll put together some numbers here, see what I can do, and then I'll give you a call back sometime today. Have you gotten any offers at the moment that you've turned down, just so I can get a base of what you're
Yeah, we did an
not
offer
taking?
at 175 that we did not accept.
No go on 175.
No, go on 175.
Okay, so it had to beat that then. Got it. All right, Ethan. Well, I'll look into it, see what I can do, and then I'll give you a call back here.
All right.
All right, Ethan. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah, take care.
So very simple, guys. So as you guys see, it's at 189, right? It's basically at market value. So they're not taking offers. They shot down a 175 offer, which is only what, 15,000 less than their asking price. Did they reduce the price at all? No, right? So they're not really too motivated to sell. So this would not be a deal. Now, yes, I could look into it and see. Like, let's go back here, for instance. So here we go. So 189, we're up here. So what we're gonna do is go to sold. Put on the sold filter, and then we're gonna go to last 6 months. And then what we'll do is go ahead and, let me delete, this needs TLC, and then go ahead and do a little outlining, right? Just to get an idea of what properties we're selling for in this area. Okay, so we got, let me actually go back here, getting a little too ahead of myself. Right, so this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet. So what we'll do, we'll put this in. Our max that we could put in for square footage is going to be 2,000, and then we're looking for 3-bed, right, 2-bath, exact match, and then TLC, delete the TLC, and then we'll put that for sale, put sold. Then go ahead and draw our outline just to get an idea of what the properties are selling for in this area. So this one sold for 227, 120, way less square footage. Minimum we'll put this at 1,500. So we got a 151, a 190. This is not in, let me go ahead and take out multifamily and townhomes. 193, 159. This is a 4-bed though. 3-bath, so that's wouldn't be a good comp. I mean, houses in this area aren't going too crazy. He's not asking an insane amount. Obviously, as you guys can see here, this is a 3-bed though, and basically it's going for very low 2s to high 100s. So this would not be a deal, guys. You do not want to waste your time on non-deals, especially if they're not too motivated Their timeline is just, okay, whenever it sells, when I get the price I want. And really, you're looking for things that need work, okay? But you're mainly looking for that distressed situation. And if it has a distressed property as well along with it, that's even better, and you're gonna get a deal. So that really summarizes this up, but another good software to use, guys, listen, PropWire is an amazing software. So let's just go here, right? Made by Jerry Norton. So we go here, let's just say we wanna do Missouri. Okay, so we're gonna go to Lake Ocar. I don't know, this might not be that good. All right, we'll go here. There's a lot of properties. So what you could do is choose your area, do an outline just like you did on Zillow. So bam, we picked our area, whatever area you want to do. Now you can go to lead types. Okay, absentee owners, right? Divorces, empty nesters. There's tons and tons of lead types. So let's just say we want to do pre-foreclosures. Now, in this area, there's none, so that would not work. But let's just go to, and this is another good way to find cash buyers as well. You can also do it on Zillow, but I'll do that in another video on how to find cash buyers. This is just how to get started in understanding wholesaling. Okay, so we'll just say out-of-state owners or vacant homes. Let's do vacant homes. Wow, none in this area. Okay, so MLS pendings. We'll do empty nesters. None in this area. So this area is probably not a good example. So we're gonna go somewhere else. Let's go out of Missouri. Let's go here. There's definitely gonna be some in this little city. So we'll remove our little draw tab. So we're in Kansas City now. Move the boundary. Go ahead and bam, 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 bam. Let's do this. So now let's go here. Now we'll go to vacant homes. Now we're gonna have a whole entire list. So what this does is basically tries its best to figure out if the properties are going under foreclosure. Sometimes it's a little outdated, but typically it's pretty on point. Now, what you can do here, it's $100 a month. This is not my software, but I've used it and it's helped me close our deals. So just letting you guys know it's an option out there. So this is going to tell you basically all these filters you can apply. It's going to tell you what you're looking for. Then you just go onto this right here. You go to owner and you click skip trace. Gives you the phone numbers. But another website that you guys can use, right, to skip trace, I'm giving you guys all the sauce, right? You're going to go to cyber background check, right? And all you're going to do is put in this address, right? Let me go ahead and confirm this. I'm going to blur this out, by the way, because, I mean, privacy reasons, I guess. All right, so we got Kansas City, and we're going to go ahead and search it. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to find out who's the owner. So we have the address here, and then we got whoever this is. It's under an LLC, as it says in PropWire. Now, if it was somebody's name, if it matches up, now you got their phone number for absolutely free. But all this is going to be blurred out. You guys can't see this. So, yeah, that's exactly how to get started wholesaling and to start finding deals, right? Off market as well through PropWire, and how to call for sale by owner leads on Zillow. If this video did help, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram if you have any questions at all. I will send you my scripts, send you my guides, how to run ARV, how to run as is, and everything else in between. I'm here to help you guys out. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace.